Hi cheese friends. Before we begin, let's just get one thing straight. If you're looking for a healthy recipe, you might want to move along because this recipe involves fried cheese. But if you're looking for a party appetizer that'll disappear just like that, come into my kitchen and let me show you how to make halloumi fries. Before you begin any recipe, make sure that all of your surfaces are wiped clean. The first thing to do is to take 1/2 pound of halloumi and cut it into thin, fry-like strips. Try to cut them as uniformly as possible so that they all fry at about the same rate. Now I made this halloumi, but you don't have to. Any store-bought halloumi will do just fine. Then you'll take the fries and just set them aside. Here's the next part of the process. Take about 3/4 of a cup of all-purpose flour and about 2 teaspoons of smoked paprika. Just lightly mix it together. There's no need to put any salt into this flour dusting because the halloumi is definitely salty enough. Then just take your halloumi fries and dust them into the flour. And here's what they look like. They're ready to be fried. The next piece is pretty easy. Take some oil. I'm using olive oil, but you can use any vegetable oil. And pour it into a heavy skillet. You want to pour about 1/2 inch in. And you'll heat this oil to medium heat. Right, and when the oil has reached a medium heat, just carefully place them into the pan. Be careful at this step. Don't want to splash any oil onto you. And you are going to fry these for 1 to 2 minutes or until they're golden brown. I wish you could smell this. It smells delicious. The cool thing about halloumi is it doesn't melt when it gets hot. So it makes a really excellent frying cheese or grilling cheese. And then when they've turned golden brown, you'll take them out of the pan and you'll let them rest on a paper-lined plate so all the grease drains off. Beautiful. Look at that. Awesome. Now let's put together a quick dipping sauce. We're going to take about 3/4 of a cup of Greek yogurt. And I made this Greek yogurt. It's pretty easy to do. I can put a link in the description box, and there's a link up in the video also. And then you'll take 1.5 teaspoons of the smoked paprika. And then just mix that together. Quick splash of lemon, and you're done. And just like that, it's ready to serve. Don't expect them to last long. And that's it. That's how you make halloumi fries at home. It's a pretty simple recipe. It just took me about 10 minutes. Thanks so much for watching. I appreciate your support. Like and subscribe, and we will see you in the next episode. Oh my gosh.